Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Tutorials. My name is Ghost. How are you all doing? So today is the 2nd of August and it is Monday. So it's another week for all of us in Clickworker Philippines, wherein we have a weekly challenge of reaching $100 per week. So for today's recording, we are working on a hit app called CQ Result Quality English. Let me tell you this. This is one of those most confusing hit apps because it has a lot of questions for you to answer. It takes a lot of time to work on it with a very minimal pay. Not really minimal, but I would say it's really low. But it's totally fine. The more you work on it, the more you're able to, uh, let's just say, accumulate, a certain or a particular amount. So it is going to be a preview mode. So for this one, let's just pull up the guidelines. For every video that I do upload, I gave you something like what you call a thought process on how to work on it. So it'll always be ideal for everyone after watching the video to pull up the guidelines while working on it. So if you notice something wrong on this video, please do comment down below so people will know about it. So again, the name of the hit is Web Page Text Content Quality Rating. Should be easy. I don't know how to explain it to you, but let me go back to the hit. So for this one, um, let's go ahead and judge this particular page. Stackis Magazine. Are the facts inaccurate, outdated, flawed, or deliberately false? So for this one, let's click on the learn more. It's a drop down menu. So for you to judge, or these are the definitions of all these buttons right here. It'll say accurate. Um, no inaccuracies. The facts are clear, accurate, and up to date. Or the page is on a topic that does not require verification or fact checking to ensure it is correct. Questionable if the accuracy of the information on the page is questionable or doubtful. But it is important that the facts should be correct on this topic. The facts should be checked and verified. Flawed if the information on the page is inaccurate, outdated, flawed, or erroneous. The errors are likely accidental. Misinformation if it is gross mistakes, baseless, unsubstantiated claims, blatant inaccuracies, fact-checked false claims, or conspiracy theories, like those documents about aliens and stuff. The page is deliberately altering facts or spreading misinformation. So for this one, let's answer the first question. Are the facts inaccurate, outdated, flawed, or deliberately false? For this one, it is outdated. It was issued August 9th, 2020. So I would say this is going to fall under questionable, outdated, flawed. Question number two is, are there necessary details missing? I wouldn't say so. I wouldn't say so. I mean, it's a long documentation or article, so I would say no issues. Are the facts or opinions biased and prejudiced? Let me pull this up for the second question. No issues. The page is comprehensive or covers its topic. No necessary details are missing. Minor, the page could be improved if it was a bit more comprehensive, but it is still useful. Only minor necessary details are missing. Major, users would prefer a page that was more comprehensive on this topic. Major, important details are missing. A whole subtopic, important views or product information, etc. The page is less useful due to the missing details. Thin content, the page only has thin, superficial main content that barely covers the topic or it has no main content. The page is not useful due to the serious omissions. So for this one, I find no issues at all. So, question number three, are the facts or opinions biased or prejudiced? To learn more, click on this one. No issues. The page does not relate to a sensitive, controversial topic. The page relates to a sensitive, controversial topic, but the opinions or facts are objective. The author did not pick a side and presented the arguments neutrally. Mildly biased, the opinions or facts are mildly in favor of a particular view or a sensitive or controversial topic. The author leans to support one side of an argument. Strongly biased, the opinions are or facts unfairly promote one particular view on a sensitive or controversial topic. The author only supports one side of an argument while trashing other views. For this one, the topic is about George Floyd, the big lie. I think this is going to be strongly biased. So, baiting, emotion stirring, offensive, or poor language. This one is self explanatory. The title is true reflection of the content. The title or page does not provoke users into action they may regret later on, like pushing a sale rather, like selling something online or on that particular web page. For this one, there is a subscription membership, so this is going to be no issues. Oh no, I'm sorry, not no issues. It has issues because it is selling something, like the subscription memberships. This one right here. Okay, so a minor, the page mildly promotes sales, example given best prices, five other people viewing this, language issues, or a few typos or typographical error. Major, sensationalized or exaggerated title content designed to bait users, example, what happened next will amaze you. You could be owed thousands, politician savage remarks leave people terrible, or this toxin is the reason for all your bowel problems. Oh my god. Not sure why that was included there. Prompts that urge users to make a purchase, example given time window discounts. Language issues, grammar issues, leaps in logic, runaway arguments, lightly offensive language, inflammatory or spammy. For this one, I would say this is going to be, it has no spam at all, but it has membership stuffs, so I would say it's major. Harmful, offensive, pirated, scam, and ethical. Learn more. No, if there's no harmful, offensive, pirated, scam, hate speech, violent, or unethical content. Suspicious, it'll be possible harmful, downloads, malware, may be part of a scam, counterfeit goods, fake shop, fraud, or phishing. May host pirated content like copyrighted movies, may incite hate or violence, including self harm, may promote illegal or unethical activities, illegal drug sales, bomb making, and child grooming. For this one, I would say it's a no. For question number three, it is going to be major. Let's submit it. Wow, it's taking a long time to submit. I think I'm having some network connectivity issues. But while waiting for this, let me just remind you all that starting this week's bill run, the minimum payment or the minimum withdrawal amount for PayPal has increased to 10 euros, and for uh, Payoneer, it'll remain as 5 euros. So we have some errors here. I believe you can see them on the screen. Let's just click on agree to that. I do apologize. I'm not able to, or I won't be able to guarantee that this is going to be helpful enough, but I just want to show you the thought process on how to work on such a hit app. So, are the facts inaccurate, outdated, flawed, or deliberately false? September 11th, it's going to be flawed. Are there necessary details missing? No issues. Are the facts, opinion, bias, prejudice? No issues. Baiting, emotion steering? I think it's going to be major. Harmful, offensive, pirate, and scam? No, not really. Let's try to submit it. So we made an error again. Agree. So crazy token. This looks uh, questionable. Are there necessary details missing? It's thin content. There's no article there at all. Are the facts, opinions, bias, or prejudice? No issues. Baiting, emotion steering, offensive or poor language? I would say so. Inflammatory or spammy? Harmful, offensive? Nope. Let's try to submit it. Okay, we're getting errors with omission and languages. Let's agree to that. There are no hits available. It could be that all hits are leased out. Please try again later. So that's the preview mode of the hit called CQ result quality in English. I did pass it, as you can see. I'm able to work on it, but I have really low accuracy on this one. I wouldn't recommend that you work on it, but it's really up to you. If you want to spend a lot of, if you had rather have a lot of time to work on it, because it does require researching, reading through the article, and all that stuff, and which is not something that I am supportive of because it takes a lot of time. Anyways, again, my name is Ghost, and I am the admin for Clickworker Philippines. You can find us on Facebook. Our group name is Clickworker Philippines, and for you to be able to join, you have to subscribe to our tutorial channel and answer the relevant membership questions. And again, I do apologize for that for this upload. It's just an overview, a preview of CQ result quality in English. I It's not a qualification mode. I do not recommend this one. But if you want to continue to work on it, you really have to go through the guidelines, and it's really up to you. Thank you for watching, and have a good day. Bye for now.